Let's run through problem 11.1a on the Balanced Scorecard. For each of the Balanced Scorecard targets listed below, identify the matching perspective. Is it employee learning and growth, internal business processes, customer, or financial? Let's get started. So, product returns as a percentage of sales decreases by 5%. What could that be measuring? So, is that about our employee learning growth? Not really. Internal processes, maybe. Customer, maybe. Definitely not financial. So I think, as I read this, I would identify this as a customer metric. It's a measure of customers, how happy they are with the product, right? If they're returning it a lot, that's going to lead to customer unhappiness. I would say this is a customer-focused metric for sure. Employee satisfaction score above 4 out of 5 on employee surveys. That's employee learning and growth. And you might think, well, why? That doesn't mean they're not training, they're not learning, they're not growing. Well, the idea is the happier employees are going to stick around for longer, and you will grow as a company with longer tenured employees for sure. Employee turnover being really high is bad for learning growth. You have no organizational memory if everybody's constantly turning. Number of complaints reduced below 10 per week. This is customers. Customers complaining less. That's certainly good for you and desirable. Percentage of products with defects below 1%. Well, this is about your own internal efficiencies. Are you making a good product or not? And you're measuring yourself, right? That's not the customer's return, although it's related, right? You have fewer defects, you're going to have fewer customer returns, one would imagine. Average employee training hours over 20 per year. Okay, any training stuff is learning and growth for sure. Share price increases by $2. All right, the financial ones are usually the most obvious here, and that's clearly financial. Sales grow by 15%, also clearly financial. And last one, setup time reduced by 20%. That's an internal process, right? That's how long it takes us to do something. That is internal business processes. And there we go. 11.1a in the books. It was short and sweet. It would be short and sweet. No, not short and sweet. It would be sweet if you'd hit a button for me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. The next video in our series is right up here. And if you want a supercut of all of the videos in this series, that's the one down below.